Good afternoon.
Bonsoir.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Vote. Je suis très content. Je suis très content à ce moment.
Nazana isengo mingi na ngonga oyo.
I will not speak to you in French because it isn't that good. And I'm working on Kikongo, and I want it to be excellent.
Nako pesa bino message nanga na français te po eza penza ya malamu mingi te.
This week marks the 25th anniversary of my first trip to the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It was a historic time.
Semaine oyo eza 25e anniversaire depuis nazoya na mboka oyo Congo. Eza histoire munene.
Indeed, when I arrived, Chef Spiritual was the little brother who I met with the big afro.
Tango na yaki papa azalaki encore jeune.
I did not know at the time that I arrived what I was going to experience, but I can tell you that in the last 25 years, I have been overwhelmed with the presence of God in my life.
Bongamaki pona koya na yebaki te experience nini na kuta nango. Mbangunga oyo nasali awa na eko réaliser que molimo mosantu azana ngai.
When I was first told that there was a prophecy that African Americans would begin to come home in the next millennium, I thought it was nice. I was hopeful it would occur, but I'm here to say today, it is happening.
Mbala liboso tango babetelaki ngai lisolo ya prophétie ke ba noir américain ba kozonga awa nazalaki vraiment na isengo mingi. Raison pour laquelle na ndimaki yango et voilà naza lelo na bino.
I actually resisted the invitation to come because I was busy doing work in Kenya.
Nazalaki na choix te ya kuboya invitation parce que nazalaki na visite na Kenya.
In fact, I was sarcastic and perhaps even rude about the notion that I would come to Congo while still working in Kenya.
Tango na moni invitation wana na ngaki na tika likambo nazali nango. Même si occupation ngai na mboka ya Kenya ezalaki yango na yaki ao.
But the person who called me persuaded me by telling me that there was a prophecy and that the prophet was Papa Simon Kimbangu.
Muto oyo abetelaki lisolo pona prophétie aye koyebisa ye que prophétie wana elobamaki na Papa Simon Kimbangu.
At the time, African Americans really had never been taught to think or to believe that prophets came in the color of an African American.
Na moma wana kundimezaki muke ya kuyeba ke non prophète moko akauta na Afrique et puis na Congo pona koloba pona biso ba américain.
I was almost rude in my reaction that I would be told and invited to come because of an African prophet.
Na ngonga wana nazaki ya kubonga mapo na ya pona profession.
I'm ashamed to admit that, but it is the truth.
E pona ngai soni oyo ezalaki na ngai tango na eko realize ke no eza ya solo.
Along with other African Americans, we had been brainwashed to believe that people of that level of greatness couldn't possibly be black. I was told that people of that level of greatness couldn't possibly be black.
E bayebisaki bango ke batu mwindo bakoki vraiment kozala na likambo mutu ya te.
He persisted, and in my frustration, I tried to speak of the prophet in a mocking tone.
E na suwe na ngai nazali na posa pona solo na likambo yango ya prophétie.
You want me to stop what I'm doing in Kenya
E atunie eske olingi natika makambo oyo naosala na Kenya?
and you want me to do this in the name of some prophecy
E olingi ngai nasala oyo oyebisi ngai lokola eza prophétie
from someone named Kimhu, Kimbu, Kim what? I made fun of the name because I thought it was crazy that he would call me and say a prophet from Africa proclaimed African Americans would come home.
E pona ye sango wana ezalaki un peu azwaki yango vraiment un peu bizarre dans le sens que est-ce que ekozala vraiment ya solo ke na Afrique na kombo oyo na ebandeli kombo ekomelaki difficile pour prononcer kombo ya Papa Simo Kimbangu.
But a miraculous thing happened to me as I was trying to speak those ugly words. A miraculous thing happened to me when I was trying to say those ugly words.
E esalemaki epa na ye po akoka kondima na likambo oyo ba azaiki nango po akoka ko transmettre maloba wana.
The Lord would not allow me to say, you mean to me, you want me to stop what I'm doing, all in the name of some, you want me to go to Congo, all in the name of some, I could not say the word prophecy.
E na moma wana azalaki na komitungisa mingi pona sango wana ya Papa Simo Kimbangu. Au moment où azalaki kosenga na Nzambe akoka kopesa ye makasi po akoka ko prononcer mot prophétie ezalaki difficile na monoko na ye.
I was clear that the reason why I could not say it was that God was protecting me from being stupid and from blaspheming His will.
E yango wana na makanisi na ye ayekomona keno lolenge oyo ye azokanisa eza lolenge ya malamu te.
And so in that moment I declared, I will come, I will come, I will come, I will come, I'll come, I'm going to come. He said, when will you come?
À ce moment-là, Ndeki ko déclarer que nakoya et ayeko yebisa ye okoya na ngonga nini.
I said, as soon as I can get a ticket. As soon as I can get
Tango
a
nakozwa
ticket.
ticket pour na voyager.
I had fear of the Lord.
Sorry.
I had fear of the Lord.
Et naza na
I was
kobanga
afraid.
nazalaki na kobanga po na Nzambe.
God was speaking to me.
Nzambe azalaki koloba kati na ngai.
It is a long introduction, but I want you to know that I was not thinking of Congo at first. I was working in Kenya, and God tapped me, invited me to come and declare that the prophecy was not a joke.
na ngonga wana nakobanga na ye et tango aye kozwa décision po aya na Congo et après aye ko réaliser que prophétie oyo eza ya kosakana te eza ya solo.
So I want you to know today that
nakosepela bino boyeba lelo
the last 25 years have included more than a dozen trips to Congo, perhaps 20.
Ba voyage na ye oyo ya 23 années oyo eleki ezalaki inclus na ba makambo ebele.
I have brought delegations of ministers, women, children, doctors,
namemaki délégation ya batu minene, ba mama, ba tata, pe bana, ba docteur.
One doctor stayed for a short time, but the rest came, they saw, they marveled, they were impressed, but they weren't quite ready to come home.
Tango bayaki bango bazalaki intéressé bamoni maunion sezalaki awa et après yaki kokoma bazalaki lisusu prêté pour bazonga.
They spent a lot of time asking themselves, is it possible that God really is opening up a path for African Americans to be restored and received on the continent of Africa? Is that possible?
Zalaki koleksa tango mingi na ko se poser ba question ebele ya koloba est-ce que ekozala possible pour ba noir américain bakozala restaurer na continent na bango oyo ya bakoko na bango.
25 years later, it is the conversation of the day in the United States of America. African Americans are planning to actively decide where in Africa they want to go and stay and work. The prophecy is fulfilled. Africans are coming home.
Prophétie est bandi déjà qu'on s'est réalisé parce que ba noirs américains ba komi tout na ba question pour na ndenge nini ba kobogama pour bazonga na mboka nini ya Afrique.
I want you to know that just deciding to come home is not enough.
Na rolingana bino boyeba kozwa décision ya kuzonga na ndako na biso eza suffisante.
Many people must change their jobs, change their future plans, finish raising their children, or finding a way to bring their children to Africa with them.
Ebele bakolinga bayekola lolenge nini bakomema bandiko na bango e lolenge nini kozonga na bango ezalela.
So today I celebrate that I am an eyewitness to the truth of prophecy.
Lelo naza ko célébrer ki ngamoko naza témoin pour na prophétie oyo.
I don't need to tell you that the people of Nkamba, New Jerusalem, the people of Congo Kingdom, Angola, Republic of Congo, they understand, they know, they believe. And I pray that you continue to be patient in receiving us.
Nakosenga na bino bandeko ya Kamba, bandeko ya Brazzaville, ya Angola, ya Royaume Congo mobimba, boko kozala patient pour boko recevoir ba noirs américains ba kozonga.
I want to warn you. I want to warn you
na kolinga vraiment ko garantir bino
that your brothers and sisters in America have been spoiled in some ways. They have been spoiled in some ways.
Et bandeko na biso ebele baza kozala un peu spolié na makambo mususu.
And they have made a choice that they would rather start fresh in Africa and be free, not victim to current elected officials in the United States.
Et pona bango ekozala esika moko oyo ko se réfléchir, bakozala na liberté.
And what they want to make certain of is that when they come, they can be gracious, they can be humble, and they can be respectful of their brothers and sisters who have remained in Africa all of these years.
Et bakozala na considération mingi na respect na komikitisa nyonso na boyebi ki esika oyo eza esika bauta.
You should know some have chosen to go to other countries on the continent, but many want to come here.
Bokozala surprise na komona ba mususu bakokende na ba mboka mususu ya Afrique, mais ebele baza na posa baya na Congo.
This will not happen overnight, so don't wait, don't keep the light on at night. It will happen over time, and you will probably see a big difference within the next 3 to 5 years.
Et bozala patient, bokozala peut-être surpris na bambula oyo ezoya liboso ebele baozonga.
I brought with me today Mademoiselle, my sister, Monica Temone.
Na voyage oyo na memi ndeko na ngai, leki na ngai, mama Monica Timoni.
She is the recently retired 30-year veteran, Deputy Assistant Secretary of the Department of Commerce for the United States government.
Aza récemment retraité na département de commerce, azalaki secrétaire adjoint.
She and I have become very, very good friends.
Ngana ye tokomi proche mingi.
We met because our spiritual journey was compatible.
Tokutanaki po expérience na biso spirituelle et komaki makasi.
She understands prophecy. She understands prophecy.
Azo comprendre pe likambo ya prophétie.
She was so enriched by the story of Papa Simon Kimbangu that she asked if she could come on this trip with me this week.
Ayaki kozwa décision après avoir échangé na ye likambo oyo ya Papa Simon Kimbangu, raison pour laquelle asepelaki kozala na ngai semaine oyo.
The very ambitious projects that Papa and the board, the team of developers for programs for the church, for the community, for Congo in general, they are programs that our sister, Monica, Mama Monica, can offer great insight, and she has knowledge of specific opportunities that could possibly work here. We have an advocate we did not have before.
Azana makoki na échange na biso ya likambo ya Lingomba ba programme oyo Lingomba zanango. Mama Monica aza na expérience na makambo ebele oyo aza nango post oyo akosunga lingomba pona ba réalisation mususu oyo lingomba zanango.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not retiring. This is a lifetime commitment. I expect that when the Lord takes me to heaven, when Papa calls me, maybe you all will have a place for me to rest here in Kamba.
Nazana isika mususu te oyo nga nakokende nayebi esika na ngai eza nde awa nde esika na ngai nakopemela.
But in the meantime, I would like for my sister just to come forward, if I may, and say a few words of reassurance that we are working together and we are going to continue in our conversations with Chef Spiritual as we spoke with him yesterday, and we look forward to meeting with the executive staff for the church for Papa.
Na ba échange na biso na masolo to sololaki na papa na kobenga mama Monica akoka ko yape awa aloba mwa liloba muke et puis tozala na masolo na cabinet.
So I want to thank you for receiving me for the last 25 years.
Na sabino merci mingi na ndenge bosili boyambi bosili koyamba ngai pendant 24 ans.
Some of you were just little 3-year-olds, 4-year-old kids when I met you.
C'est vrai que na ebandelita on ayaki ebele bazalaki bana mike mais actuellement tokoli biso nyonso ensemble.
But I want you to know that I love you all.
Na ko profiter na yesabino na lingi bino nyingi na lingi bino nyonso.
Good afternoon.
Bonsoir.
First of all, I want to say thank you for inviting me here.
Ya liboso na ko pesa bino merci na ndenge bo invité ngai awa.
I know Mama Ramona, so please forgive me if I don't get all of my customs and practices correct. Please forgive me in advance of that, but that doesn't change my sincerity and the things that I want to discuss with you today.
Boko limbisa ngai na ko changer kondima na ngai te na ozala sincère.
So you heard my bio, and I know Mama Ramona wants me to talk a little bit about who I am, so that I can give you guys a better understanding and baseline of why I'm here. So for over 30 years, I worked for the United States government at its highest levels.
Et na ndenge mama Ramona uti koloba pona ko présenter ngai na salaki récemment na niveau ya gouvernement pendant 3 ans.
So I did work all over the world. And some of my recent projects before I retired was around business development, trade development, creating economic ecosystems for businesses and innovation to thrive.
Avant nazala retraité et a ba projet belé oyo nazalaki nango en possession na niveau ya gouvernement.
So when I heard the prophecy from Mama Ramona,
Tango nayokaki prophétie epai mama Ramona,
it touched my heart.
etushaki ngai mingi na motema.
I was like, why hadn't I heard this prophecy before?
Pona nini nayokaki prophétie oyo avant te.
But when you hear the truth, you know it's the truth.
Tango oyebi oyo eza vérité, okondimaki eza vérité.
So I told her I wanted to come. I needed to come. I needed to come and see for myself, to come and see a proud people.
yango nayebisaki ye naza na posa na ya naza na posa nga moko na ya komona oyo fierté bato oyo baza nango.
In America, Black Americans, we refer to things as, it's not a lack of talent, it's not a lack of gifts, it's a lack of exposure and opportunities. It's not a lack of talent, gifts.
Alors eza kozanga talenté ou bien dompté,
But it's a lack of opportunities.
eza kozanga nde opportunité.
Right. So what I believe is that we were sent to America for a reason.
Totindamaki na États-Unis pour une raison.
We were sent there to learn, to gain as much knowledge, to get to a point of maturity, and to be able to come back here to Africa.
Totindamaki kuna na tina ya koyekola. Koya na ba connaissance oyo tokoki ko partager na bino.
And I don't want to presume that there are helpless people waiting for the Black Americans to show up and help. I don't see it that way. I see it as a partnership, one of unity. There's so many things that we can learn from you, and there's so many things that we can also share with the things that we've accomplished.
Na bozongi na biso tokozala na makambo ebele oyo tokoyekola epai na bino oyo bino pe bokoyekola epai na biso.
So the law of reversal, I believe, is happening now. There are conversations in many quarters of different places in the United States where Black Americans are asking the question, is this truly our home? Why do we need to stay in the U.S. when we're not welcome, when we're not loved, when we're not appreciated?
Na ko vanda na mboka États-Unis bamituna ezai kozala ebele, eske mboka oyo eza kozala mboka na biso, eske pourquoi bazo benga ngo kombo wana US?
Right. So as I was here this week, I was able to see a lot of things. So thank you all for showing me kindness, showing me respect, but also showing me the sense of pride in what it is that you do. So coming from America, you may think that that you're in a position of helping, that is charity, but it was clear to me that that was not the case.
Koya na ngai na mboka oyo nazalaki vraiment persuadé ya komona makambo ya kitoko, makambo ya malamu.
Right. So what I see is bringing some of the tools and innovation that already exists, given the opportunity for that exposure, and then creating systems around it that will allow it to grow, to prosper, and to thrive in a way that's beneficial to all people.
Ekozala malamu tango tokoya na ba makambo nyonso wana na ba expérience oyo toko échanger na bino pour que tokoka ko prospérer et puis tokoka ko avancer.
So I'm not here to make you promises that you look and say, hey, well, where are we with that? But what I am here to do is to be an advocate, to bring all of my knowledge that I have, all of my networks, all of my resources to situations, to be able to advance the projects that Papa has identified that he would like to see happen.
Nakolinga na promete bino eloko moko que na bozongi na ngai na kosala makasi na ngai nyonso polo na mema oyo ekoki kozala en possession na ngai ba expérience et puis na ba connaissance na ba possibilité o ngaza nango na échange oyo tozalaki nango na papa pour na ko réaliser ba projet oyo yaza nango.
So in conclusion, what I would say to you is that there is so much that we can do together There's so many things that I'm looking forward to learning more about, to be able to work side by side with you. And please, don't make judgments on the way that I speak, because what I would say to you is it's my intention to be humble. It is my intention to not boast on my credentials. And I've done these things all around the world. So now I just feel truly blessed to be in a position to be able to speak to all of you and to share in your hopes and dreams and see what we can do.
En conclusion, nakolinga naloba que nakozala na possibilité oyo nakomona epai na ngai pour nazala toujours présent na réunion oyo tokoki kosala ensemble, expérience oyo nga nakoki koyekola kolakisa bino na oyo bino mpe bokoki kolakisa epai na ngai.
So I just want to say thank you all for having me here, and I look forward to learning more, to developing a closer relationship.
Merci, nakopesa bino merci na ndenge yambi ngai awa nakozala na makambo ebele oyo bien sûr nakoyekola epai na bino.
So I will leave with you guys Jeremiah 29:11. Jeremiah 29:11. Jeremiah, it's a scripture.
Sorry.
Jeremiah 29:11. 29:11.
Ok. Eza na kombo na kati ya Bible. Chapitre
I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you. Right?
sorry.
You want me to say it again? Okay. I know the plans I have for you.
Jérémie 8 na Bible elobi na yebi.
Invite everyone to open their Bible to Jeremiah 29:11.
Si quelqu'un a na Bible, aropesa biso Bible quelque part pour otanga la Bible.
So Jeremiah 29:11.
Jérémie
Jeremiah
chapitre 29 verset
29.
verset 11.
11. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, says the Lord. Thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you a future and hope.
Nayebi makanisi oyo eza liboso na bino, nayebi nzambe, nayebi kimia, et puis nayebi makanisi mabe.
So we are a great people, that we can do great things.
Biso toza bato malamu tokosala makambo ya kitoko.
And it's our time.
And oyo eza moment na biso.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
tika ete tokoka kotonda maloba bamama na biso na kombo oyo misato ya bule na kombo ya tata ya mwana mpe molimo santu.